Hey guys, Caesar here with RC Pest Control. Today I'm gonna show one of our finished projects for today, and let's check it out. At this project here, a customer needs to create a barrier against his plant material, against his hedges, because it was getting outside of the gates, outside of the fence. So the community, it was kind of giving a hard time for him. So they call us, and we put those critter fence that goes all the way around the property. And the good thing about this material here, guys, it's you can see it's a hard screen, so you cannot even do anything about it. It's straightforward. It's even good for dog bites. So if you have a problem with dogs biting your stuffs against those fences, you're not gonna have that problem. So we just create all the way around the calusas hedges. We have a lot of calusa material here, so we also digging 4 to 6 inch to the ground, into the ground, so eventually any kind of creature that wants to dig, it's going to be a protector as well. As you can see, all the way around, you barely can see the screen over here because we use a material that's very transparent, even though it's black, but it looks very almost seamless, and it has a great finish because the customer doesn't lose his view from the lake or his view from the outside of his property. It's a good option. Customer is happy and fits the purpose from the HOA, so everybody's happy. We've done the job, and that's it. If you guys like this video, and if you guys are close to Palm Beach area, please call us. Thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.